Hello there, this is William Seiter, and I wanted to take a moment to start to teach you how to use the new Empowered Network ENV2. That's the viral blogging system, version 2. As you can see on my screen here, this is my website. This is wsendeavors.empowernetwork.com. Got my picture here in the corner, have the banner up here at top, and I've got blog posts. As you can see, I am not logged in at the moment, but what I wanted to talk about today is using the new ENV2 blogging system along with the My Social Empire or the social media bar syndication system. Now, the reason why this is important is because we're going to want to make sure that not only do you make blogs every day, but also you are able to get your blogs syndicated onto websites like Facebook, Google+, etc. Now I've just logged in, and this is the back office. As you can see, all my products are here on the left-hand side. If I want to take a look to see how my blog looks, I can come up here to my name. I've hovered over the down arrow, and this first one here is View, Edit My Blog. It's going to load up my blog, which we were just looking at a second ago, but it's going to come up in logged in mode. As you can see, this switched from member login over to the drop-down box. I get a plus button here on the left-hand side that allows me to customize the blog, and I get a listing of all my blog entries down here. Now, let's pick one of these that I'm going to syndicate. I'm going to use this one here. Now, up here in the URL, I am copying the location of this blog. I'm going to open up a new screen and go to socialmediabar.com. Now, the reason why I'm showing you this is that it has changed since the last video that I have put out. So I'm going to go ahead and paste here. As you can see, I've pasted the URL for that blog posting that I showed you, and I'm going to click on the Go Viral. Now, this is going to preload a bunch of the information we used to have to go ahead and type in every time. As you can see, we have already put in the destination. This is where the link will go to. Down here we have the Empower Network URL slug. Okay, I don't like that slug, so I'm going to copy and paste my original slug into this spot here. Let's see if that will help us out a little bit. And I'm going to change the page title to the first line of the description. And it looks like it needs also to have a couple of punctuations changed. This is a pretty new change that Social Media Bar has done. So I am making some changes here. The thumbnail. This is kind of important because this is going to show people what it is that you think is important about this picture. About this blog. As you can see down here, you can use their default, which is to check this out. I'm going to choose something different. So I'm going to go over here to Google, and I am going to look up, let's see, laptop on the beach. Okay, and I'm going to click on images, and let's see which kind of unrealistic picture we can use here. Here we go. This is kind of unrealistic. Maybe? What do you think? So I'm going to go ahead and use it doesn't seem to want to load up here. There we go. So I'm going to go ahead and cut a piece of picture out of this. But I'm going to use a trick that I know, and I know that this picture will get smaller as I make the browser smaller. See how that happens? So the reason why I'm doing that is because I want a smaller version of this, and I can capture directly from this page here and use that as the image. And guy destroys laptop with sandy beach. Hopefully you understand now why I was saying that this is an unrealistic photograph, because who's going to take their laptop to the beach just to scratch at the screen and get the sand and the keys, which was the point of that blog that I've done as well, so it matches. Okay, so I've gone over to Jing, I've opened up the image I just saved, and I'm going to copy the image location and put it back into social media bar. So I'm going to put that there. I've pasted it into here, and you can see underneath this image will be used when shared with Facebook, Google+, etc. So that's going to be the first image they get to see. Now I'm going to create the viral link. Let's go ahead and click on that. And you can see that up at the top here we have all these shareable links, and that makes it so you can share automatically. You can see that it took me to the page that I wanted to go to. So I'm going to go up to the URL. I'm going to copy the actual URL that it was created here, and then I'm going to go over and open up a Facebook page. I'm going to go into my Working with William page, which is hidden at the moment. There we go. And I'm going to share this. You can see that Facebook is thinking about it for a second. It has uploaded the image. It has added the title that, remember, I had changed that to the first line of the description. And then it has gone down here and it has created the description itself. So if I click on post, this will show up on the site. I'm going to do this again just so that you can see that you can change things after you've done them. So I'm going to hit delete. I'm going to say yes, I definitely want to delete that. I'm going to paste it again right into the box there. Maybe I should reload the page first. Sometimes the JavaScript on a Facebook page doesn't really want to start working again until you've reloaded the page. So that's what I'm going to do there. Paste it in again. You can see it's thinking about it. It posted it up. I'm going to remove this link now. And as you can see, after I removed the link, this still is here. That's important to know because you don't have to have the link, the raw link up there. You can just post the image with the description combo. Click on post. I always think that it looks nicer this way, so that's why I wanted to make sure we redid that. And then I'm going to share this. Now, when I talk about syndication, this right here is sharing my link with the people on Facebook. And now I'm going to syndicate on Facebook by sharing on different sites. For instance, I've got the 40K blogging group, which is Adam Ward's group. I'm a member there, so I'm going to share this there. And I'm going to share this on my personal group, which is the Team Massive Power Syndication group. Now this group is specifically for syndicating, and it does have links to this information as well as written out instructions on how to syndicate. And I'm also going to put this on another group, the Home Business Success Tips. This is a group that's outside of the Empower Network and will allow me to gain access to people who are not in Empower Network. The people who are in Empower Network, when they see this link on the groups, they should be sharing it and promoting it as well, just like I do for theirs. Now we've gone ahead and shared this. I'm going to reload the page here again so you can see how it changes a little bit. You can see show shares here. And the one last place I'm going to do, see, I'm on a page that I manage. I'm not on my own timeline. So I'm going to go ahead and share this link on my own timeline so the friends that I have that are not connected to this particular page will also be able to see it. Well, that's it for now. Well, let me go ahead and show you one last thing here. We had talked about this page here. This is the link we just shared on Facebook. As you can see here at the top, I can do a one-click, and this will automatically tweet for me. So I just tweeted that to anybody who's following me. I can put this on LinkedIn. So I'm going to share that there. So as you can see, there's a lot of stuff that you can do to make sure that these things get out there to the people that are following you in the different areas. There you go. We've syndicated to 4 different sites now. We've done Facebook by hand. We did Twitter through this link, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. You can share through email, and you can also share through this link over here as well. There we go. Now I think we're done for now. You guys have a great day. I hope this helps a lot. Take care.